my dear aspirants. Thank you for joining me again for the next video. And by now you would have understood that today we will be covering one of the important OLQs from factor 2. And factor 2, as you all know, is the social adjustment. It deals with the heart. So there are 3 OLQs in it. Today I will be covering in this video the first of the OLQs in this, which is called as a social adjustment. What does it deal with? Social adjustment. It deals with as to how you react and behave with your friends, your seniors and your juniors. What is your attitude towards them? Are you able to understand the social situation in which you are there? Understand the nuances as to what you can do or what you cannot do, and thereafter act accordingly. And what we want to see here is the maturity level of yours in your dealing and in relationships. So as all of you know, one of the important aspects of the SSB is that you will be working in a group environment. There will be a lot of stressful situations where there will be a rule of law which will be there. There will be a lot of orders which will be given to you. You will have to give certain orders because in the hierarchy of leadership you are right up there, because all of you would be aspiring to become defense officers. So how do you adjust? It is not about just giving orders without any empathy. So you have to be empathetic towards others. You have to understand others. You have to put yourself in the other's shoes and see whether if the order that I am giving can be accomplished or not. If some order is given to you, how are you able to react to that? What kind of relations do you have with your friends, teachers, your parents, your boss? See, your other cousins, your relatives, see, your neighbors. So what kind of interactions do you have? What do you look for in some other person? What are the attributes which attract you? Which are the attributes which does not attract you? And one more important aspect that you have to look at here is when you know you have to handle a situation, how tactfully are you able to handle that situation without upsetting others or getting yourself upset? It's all about the attitude. So this part is looked at very carefully in this OLQ called social adjustment. So my suggestion to improve this OLQ overall would be networked, interact, pay attention to what your parents are telling, give emphasis to what your friends are telling you or how you are reacting to your friends. If all those people who are working and giving the SSB, what kind of relationships do you have with your colleagues out there? What kind of relationship do you have with your boss? Or you yourself are a team manager? How do you tell tactfully what the work, how it has to be done? And in case you are in say 10th or 12th and you're in a school, see all the leadership positions like a class leader or a school captain or a house captain or other areas of responsibility where you would have to handle other people. Your teachers, you're a student coordinator. So all these are aspects which will give an insight as to what kind of person are you when you are reacting to the situations, and very, very clearly seen in all the 3 techniques of psych, GTO and interview. So pay attention whenever you are preparing on this aspect and give emphasis to be a person who is adaptable to situations and to people. Please, one more important aspect, can you adapt to situations also or not? Are you listening to others or not? Active listening is a very important aspect to this OLQ, where you give importance to others also. It is not that you are always right. A good leader is a person who listens to others, gives his point of view and democratically understands that this is the option that we can take for the future actions, or you form an opinion on things, or you have a view on some aspect. I hope this talk of mine would give you an insight as to what social adjustment means. Thank you for listening to me. Meet you in the next video on Factor 2.